nagbabalik. Dito kami ngayon sa Sagada Pottery. Very famous pottery sa Sagada. Mababa lang din naman siya. Ganito lang siya. Yan. So yan yung mga products na gawa nila rito.
Good morning and welcome to the pottery. I'm Arda, one among the workers here. Ang workshop na ito ay nag-start in the year 2000 by Archie Stapleton. Anak po siya ng American missionary na lumaki dito noong 1960s. Nakita niya ang potential ng ating local clay at local soil. For pottery production, kaya nang pumunta siya ng States, nag-aaral siya ng pottery master ngayon. Then bumalik siya dito noong year 2000 to teach the Sagada people as an alternative livelihood. Kung sinasabi natin may potential ang ating local materials, hindi po ibig sabihin yan na pwede kang kumuha kahit saan yung gusto, then you bring it here, can make a pot out of it. Around Sagada, we have to scout for a good place to get a clay na hindi kami nakakasira sa environment at walang magagalit sa amin. Kung may nakita po kayo maganda, we hold that clay, bring them here, soak them in water for a few weeks, sasalain ng 2 beses hanggang makuha namin ang consistency or fineness na katulad nito. After sealing 2 times, it's very watery. We have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks before we can use it. May 3 klase po ang pottery. May earthenware, stoneware, at saka porcelain. Ang earthenware, siyempre yung ginagawa nila sa vegan, yung mga pason, yung mga lutuan po. Ang stoneware at saka porcelain, mataas ang luto nilang dalawa. Ang ginagawa namin dito, stoneware, maabot namin ng temperature na 1,300 degrees Celsius. I'm going to show you the making of the pot with a demo fee of 600 for the whole group. And if anyone wants to try, you pay individually at 100 pesos. Would it be okay? Okay. So first of all, I'm going to center the clay. And I'm centering the clay with pressure from my both hands, and I have to go with the speed of the wheel.